All right, so we got to number 20 on Friday of the Making Conclusions worksheet. Number 20 says, you are given this ray UB and it bisects angle RUY. Okay, so if you have an angle bisector and you're not given a picture, I would recommend making a picture. So you have this angle RUY and the ray UB cuts it in half. It bisects it. So that means that angle RUB and angle BUY are congruent. That would be your conclusion. And how can you conclude that? What's your justification? Definition of angle bisector. Number 21, you're given this picture and you can clearly see that angle 8 and 9 form a line. So the angle 8 and 9 are a linear pair. And you can just use your justification, definition of linear pair. Or it might be listed as linear pair postulate in your notes. Same thing. All right, number 22, you're just given this picture, but you should have noticed that you had two little angle markings and they were the same. They were just one line. That means those angles are the same. Therefore, your conclusion is the ray IL is an angle bisector. Okay. And that's just definition of angle bisector. Number 23 says you're given angle PAI and angle IAR are a linear pair. What's the relationship with a linear pair? What do they add up to?
1.
So they are supplementary, right? And we would just say the justification here is the linear pair postulate. Number 24, given angle CAT and angle RAP are complementary angles, you can say the measure of those angles, so the measure of angle CAT plus the measure of angle RAP add up to equal 90 degrees. And that is the definition of complementary angles. '25, you're given the measure of angle NAT plus the measure of angle WED equals 180 degrees. Okay. If they add up to 180 degrees, they are supplementary. And that is the definition of supplementary angles. And then lastly, number 26, it says you're given A is between J and M. Okay, so make a picture. If A is between J and M, you can use segment addition postulate. JA plus AM equals the whole thing, which is JM. It just says A is between. It does not say A is the midpoint. Okay. Questions about the homework?